Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Alright, so as promised in yesterday's video, which I actually filmed today, I did that graphic eyeliner look, and it says it's waterproof, smear proof, and I've been wearing it most of the day, and it does not smear off. So, I want to see how easy. We're going to do Face Mask Friday, but first we're going to try to get this off. And I want to see how easy. I'm not going to keep you the whole time. I'm going to go wash my face after and whatnot. So we're going to use some cotton pads. And I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Whoops, wrong way. So let's see how easy this comes off before we do a face mask. So I got a little bit on the pad. So we're going to go over. Okay. Not bad. So I should have done it on camera, but I did test it out, like just plain water, and it didn't do anything. So let's see. I want to make sure that it comes off. Okay, so on my eyelid, little bit harder to get off. But it is coming off with the micellar water. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to finish the other eye. I'm going to go wash my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just used my facial cleanser, CeraVe, after I did the other eye. It all came off really easy, considering. And it came off. And with plain water, it doesn't come off. I mean, you can soak. I tried it with the pad and just soaked it with water. My mascara started to dissipate, and it got lighter, but it did not come off. I would have had to, like, really rub my eye, which I don't recommend. So I'll show you those here in a minute. Let's get this face mask on. I'm going to do the One Spring eye mask. I'm just opening it. So it's not staying in the tray this time. I always kind of hold my finger up. There we go. And, oh, they're sliding out of the tray. So then I always pour this liquid on top. Okay. So how is everybody feeling today? I'm doing much better than I was. We had the flu go through our house. My stepson got it first, and he had it the worst. And my mom and Heidi got it, and they had it for about 4 or 5 days, and I thought it had skipped me, because of course I'm the caretaker of the house, and it hit me and my husband on Friday, this Friday. We were down Friday and Saturday. Sunday started feeling a little bit better, and it's I'm pre-filming this. It is, I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday. So there's that. Alright, so I'm using the Winter Skin Facial Mask Rejuvenating Collagen Infused Facial Mask by Spa Life. I'm still on my winter packet. So I get all of this from Amazon. And we're going to talk about those liquid eyeliners. I don't have any complaints from them so far. I'm going to show them to you again. I will leave a link down below. And not all my Amazon links are affiliate links. I don't get commission on every single one. So I'm not sure if I'll be getting a commission on that or not if you click it. If not, you can always just click it, go look at it, and then buy it from your own account. Whatever you want to do. It's not like I make a living off of that. It's a couple cents. But you have to advertise it. So, okay, so here goes the face mask. Oh, this collagen one has a really unique smell to it. It smells so fresh. My hair is in the way, as usual. I warmed that up in the sink while I was washing my face. It's very sunshiny out. It was like everything was covered with frost this morning. But yet bright sunshine, and it just looked so weird. It looked fake on the grass. And I sat out and had my coffee on the front porch in the sun. It was 28.8 degrees out, but with the sun shining directly on you, it felt like 50. And I had my coffee, and I should have took my phone out there with me and videotaped like where the sun was hitting the roofs. It was all these little wispy, misty looking things from the frost melting. It was so cool. So anyway, all right, so these are called Handiyan. I'm not sure. This is what they look like. Waterproof eyeliner. It said there's 12 colors. The ingredients are water, propylene glycol, ethylene, acrylic acid. I don't know how safe these are. It says open eyeliner lid, gently draw a line of eyeliner from the top of the eye to the end of the eye along the base of the eyelashes. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes. So you don't want to put this on your waterline. Discontinue use of signs of irritation or rash. I did not have any itchiness, anything at all. It's 24 months after opening, and it has little bunny ears, and I'm going to show you the back. And these are the colors. They're very vibrant. I will say this, it takes quite a bit of time to get the individual plastic wrap off of it. Quite the pain in the ass, I'll tell you, but whatever. Alright, so while we're doing this face mask, that's supposed to be on for 10 to 20 minutes. It says collagen helps to plump the skin, reduce fine lines, while vitamin A rich ginger extract boosts skin vitality and helps prevent aging. The result is a fresh, rejuvenated holiday glow, which we'll take it, all right? All right, so while we're here, I'm going to do my Grove collaborative unboxing. And this is how it comes. I just ripped it open on the top. And they always write something, no matter what. And it says, "We heart you, Christine." And it's always personalized like that. This is not sponsored, but it should be. I will leave a link down below. I do believe there's a way for me to get some kind of credit or whatever posting the link, but unless they offer to sponsor me, I'm just going to put the link and you can decide. Now, this is a monthly subscription. There is a yearly fee that covers shipping to get you the free shipping. And I believe you have to order over 30 or it's $35 a month to get the free shipping. And even so, if you don't on certain, and you can skip months and put it on hold, you can pick the day that it comes out of your bank account. You can schedule your whole thing. Like if you just want to not have a subscription service, then you would pay shipping. It's usually anywhere from $5 to $11, depending on how heavy the box is. But I do the yearly subscription. Like I pay the yearly fee, and then I get each box and I get charged depending on what I order. So this time the box was $38.19 is what this came to. It was delivered to my door. It came out of my account on the 2nd, and it came the 4th. So it's been sitting because I've been sick. So I already took the tissues out because my husband needed the tissues. So there was a box of tissues in there. And I got 2 of these. It is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. Antibacterial toilet cleaner in spearmint. Kills 99.9 household germs. Cleans and disinfects. And it just says germ buster, and I can't read white writing on. So I got 2 of those. So 1 and 2. That's one for the upstairs, one for the downstairs. I also got the basil counter spray cleaner, and this is by Myers. And I do believe Walmart sells Myers products as well. Multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surfaces. It smells wonderful. So I got that. And I got one of the air fresheners, room freshener in geranium. And these you just spray around the room and they smell. There's a bunch of different scents to choose from. They last a long time and they smell wonderful. And they are pet and family safe. I got 2 of the walnut cellulose scrubber sponges. And I get that every month. Because you can go edit your cart and you can get stuff like standalone. Like I get this every other month. I get a counter sprayer once a month because I usually go through it. And I change out my sponges. And these are made from ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. They're top rack dishwasher safe. Responsibly made in Canada. So that's those. I get that every month. Alright, now this is the Paw Scent Apothecary lemongrass scented pet stain and odor remover. Now I use this. My cat goes through bouts of vomiting when she just decides to overgroom. She'll be barfing up hairballs all over the house. So I always use this on, and it leaves a nice fresh scent. Lemongrass, it says it's pet safe. Of course, when it's dry, you don't just don't spray it right around them. I never do anyway. Any cleaner, even if it says it's pet safe. But I blot up the puke, and then spray that on, let it on there, blot it up, and clean it up, and then just take a paper towel and blot up the excess. I also spray her bedding. She has that little cat bed. I spray her bedding with it before I put it in the wash, and it just makes it smell wonderful. And she doesn't mind it, and I've had no problems. I also got a refill. And this is the hand soap refiller. And this one's in rainwater. I usually get basil for the downstairs bathrooms, and the rainwater is upstairs. And this will fill the pump. I'm sure I've shown you 3.5 times. It'll fill one of the pump dispensers which are about that big. They're nice. So that is what I got from Grove Collaborative. And it's www.grove.co. And you can go check them out. I started getting, I started ordering from them, I believe it was in 2018, or the end of 2018, or early 2019. I have never been disappointed, even during the pandemic. They kept their shipping up, and they kept the boxes up. I was never without hand soap, and I added antibacterial cleaning sprays in there. And they were wonderful, and there was only a few times that maybe they weren't out of something, but maybe out of that scent, and I just had to choose another scent. If you sign up for them, they always send you an email right before the yearly fee, and I can't remember what it is, and I should be more prepared. I'll put it down below in the description, all the fees. But they always send you an email also about a week before your box is getting ready to ship, and it tells you go edit your cart, because there's some things that if you choose to put it automatically in your cart, maybe you decided, oh, I don't need it this month, you can remove it and add something in, and you edit your cart. Make sure that your date for when you want them to take it out of your bank account is correct on the top, and you can change that as long as it's within the month, so very nice company. They they get things that are uh everything's okay. Let me read the box here. Everything a sustainable superstar could need. They have cleaning essentials, health and wellness, home and pantry, bath and body, laundry care, and pet supplies. 200 plus vetted brands, carbon neutral shipping, 100% plastic neutral. So there's that. And I was probably showing my address, wasn't I? Was I? No. Okay. So there's that. And then on the inside of this flap, it says, don't worry, be happy. Paperless packing slip. Early access to events and discounts. On-the-go order reminders. And you can download the app right there. You can scan it. So I enjoy this company so much. And I appreciate doing business with them. Not sponsored, but it should be. Alright, so this mask can come off. And I will finish up my skincare. And I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And it helps my channel out. And hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload. Until next time, see you later.